Guruji, this is Selva Kumar. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes,
What's your
Guruji.
question?
Yeah, you're talking about the Shiva consciousness, right, Guruji? So, in order to control the Shakti, we should be more connected to our Shiva consciousness. So, in that way, you said some dhyanas, meditations, and Nirvana Shataka, listening to Nirvana Shataka. So, apart from that, if you can say few more things to done to getting connected with that consciousness, Guruji. So that would be useful.
Actually, you are asking for some techniques to attain Shiva consciousness fastly. Actually, it is the most difficult thing in the Srividya Sadhana to attain Shiva. Our aim is that one. When you will get Shiva, you will enlighten. That is our main objective. So actually, keep on you observe yourself. The feel of I is Shiva. Example, I am talking from my side, I am thinking, I am talking. You are thinking, I am hearing. Our I is common. That's why we can communicate. If you are talking with a dog is thinking, I am hearing. You are thinking, I am seeing. Because I is common. Much of these people we are discussing from different countries. Because the consciousness of everybody is connected. It is same, is Shiva Tattva. The observation is the only one way to experience Shiva. The imagination will cut the other Shiva consciousness and it make you separate. If you imagine something, you are separate. We have to avoid the mental images. That's why we said the Pratyahara meditation. If you can cut the self-activation of the mind, memory, your senses will be activated. Senses are directly connected with the Shiva Tattva. Example, if you eating something good, the outer consciousness will come through the taste and go to dhyana, dharana, dhyanam and samadhi. 1 second, oh, that makes the taste. That Anandamaya Vacha is Shiva. Then I can understand. The Vijnanamaya Vacha activated. This is meaningless. Daily we are maintaining this body. No meaning in that. That's why we say, even the death will happen, nothing. That much of text. Negative word we will say. So that is the samadhi actually. It is happening in sex or hearing good music. That is the activation of samadhi. How to extend this 1 second? That is the yoga. Answer is the yoga or tantra, Srividya. How to extend that happiness, that ecstasy, Kameshwara, Kameshwari. Doing the yoga is there. Sex is there. Always, 24 hours. That is Kameshwara, Kameshwari. That is the achievement. The external female is or male is stimulating the internal energy of male or female. If you can, once you can experience that, no need of external girl or boy. Whenever you want, sit straight and activate, the switch, activate the female inside you. Always the happiness will come here. We will not be interested to come to this world. If you want to teach somebody or something, you can come. But then you have to bring the desire of this world. Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was very interested to eat laddus, sweets. Always he is asking the disciples, what do you bring to me? Then Sharada Devi is saying, people are looking like a god. What you are doing? Very foolish things. this is not right, then he will simply smile. One day, all laddus and everything brought in front of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, but he didn't touch anything. That day he went to Samadhi. Because the laddu is keeping him in this world. So, actually, this is a path. Our five senses are the bliss. We have to understand. Don't insult the body or senses, the experience of senses. The religions are doing that foolish things normally, except Tantra. Teaching to insult our body and our senses. So in Tantra, we are stimulating, activating Dhuva, Deepa, Mudras, everything, activating the senses and teach to experience and enjoy this world with awareness. Without awareness, if you enjoy the world, you will be trapped in the karma. With awareness, you have to enjoy the world. It will lead to the enlightenment. So we have to activate Shiva Tattva. We want to activate Shiva Tattva. Activate your senses always. Cut the mind. Yogas Chittavritti Nirodhana. Patanjali says. For that, we have to do that Pratyahara Dhyanam. Actually, Pratyahara Dhyanam is the mindfulness meditation is coming from the Pratyahara Dhyanam of Tantra. Mindfulness Buddhist meditation. Psychiatrists now prescribing in their own letter part the mindfulness meditation. That's why I did the research in mindfulness meditation. The university approved it. If I will do some tantric meditation, they will throw out. Very egoistic people. That's so actually in that name I did the tantric pratyahara meditation. 30 women. Anger level and the stress level, everything decreased. So that's why I'm saying the awareness, increase the awareness is the main question in Tantra Srividya, Shiva Tattva. By the support of Shakti, you cannot do without Shakti, the activation of Shiva Tattva. This is a give and take process. You activate Shiva Tattva, then observe the Shakti, the Prana Shakti. Prana Shakti is Shakti actually. It is coming and going, coming something from outer world, it is negative or positive. As per our energy, we are handling and connecting with it properly. Negative to negative, positive to negative, positive, as per the situation, or opposite, as per the situation. With the awareness, the Shiva Tattva we are doing, then the karmas will vanish slowly, slowly, slowly. We will totally free from karmas. Example, according to me, that is happening inside. I'm not saying about some diseases are coming or not. If you are living in present, you are in full freedom. You are free from mind. You are free from karmas. The mind is creating the karmas. That side I am intended to talk. Mind is creating the karma. Mind is creating the misguidance in prana, the flow of the prana. If you think the negative things, immediately the neurotransmitters will active negatively. Negative pictures will rise from mind. Your breathing pattern will change. The adrenaline will generate. The glucose will come from glycogen to glucose. It will eat by the cancer cells and the cancers will come. Obesity will come. So the breathing pattern will change if you imagine negative things. It will be speed, the stress, fear, fight or fight situation will come. Our body is animals, reptilian body. So it will create the fear. All fear is connected with the death. We have to overcome that fear, the fear of death. We can do that through the observation. You have to observe yourself, then you can free from that fear, because your awareness will not die. You can understand. The body is just dying. That is not an intellectual exercise or learning something. That should be an experience through the observation to ourselves. From today, if you can observe yourself, you are in the path of Tantra. Normally, we are observing the outer things. We are subjective. We are objective. We have to come to subjective. That is a part of, actually, we have to observe always yourself. What all the things are happening inside you. Then you will be very surprised. Your thinking pattern is very crazy. Without any meaning. Always you are thinking about future. I'm saying you just think about your future. All of the things. And immediately, okay, yes, I'm going to think about my future now. My future means I have my job. It will be like this. My money. Okay. 2 minutes or 5 minutes. All future thinking will be finished. Okay. Then nothing. But you are thinking always 24 hours. What is it? Is crazy. The energy is losing. Total energy is grabbing by the thought process. If you can free from all kind of these bullshit, you can save all of the energy, and the correct karma you can do, it will be very powerful. The result will be very high. 24 hours, the energy is eating by the mind. It is hijacking by the mind. Your all energy. Very thinking need more energy, because it is actually going the same process of battery cell is happening. Electricity is passing through the brain. Sodium and potassium, it is transferring to the neurotransmitters. The myelin sheet will insulate and it is extending without the decreasing of the energy, discharging of the energy. It is actually the electric process is happening through the brain. It needs lots of energy, this thinking. If you stop thinking, you will get lots of energy, massive energy. You will surprise. You will surprise about yourself. Oh, I'm this much of powerful. That energy is needed to enlightenment or to break the Swadhisthana, the Brahma Granthi. But normally we are doing in the form of worship also, we are giving the energy for the figures of Devi, and it's not correct. The energy is going to here or this area, there in a very crazy way, then immediately you give a figure for that of Devi. Then come to the senses, come to the awareness of Shiva Tattva, again start meditation. That is the process actually. We are giving the figure of Devi is for connect only. To free from other figures. If you are looking always thinking about your girlfriend, she lost, cheated me, then you can give a figure archetype of female. Always will be this girl. It is negative. But if you change the archetype of that girl to Devi, then the archetype will start to turn to positive. Then the energy, psychic energy will come, Kundalini will come, psychic energy will come. Immediately, which figure will catch? The positive figure and generate the positive energy, the life will be positive. Now it is going to negative. The changing of the archetype is doing by the Tantra. You can read about the books of analytical psychologist Carl Jung. His detailed way he's mentioned the archetypes. Archetypes are creating the energy deviation in my psychic mind. In mind, the psychic energy is deviating. So, next question.
Thank you so much.
It is clear. Is it clear? It is clear.
Yes, Guruji. It's clear.
Okay. Next.